So here's an update on the car scanner app and how to get the Android to auto power on when you start your vehicle and start the car scanner app. The first thing you need to do is turn on developer mode on your phone. So to turn on developer mode, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your phone settings, go to the about device, or about phone, and then you're going to tap on the build number 5 times. I already set it up, but it will enable development mode, and that menu will show up under developer options, and then you should see stay awake. So that'll keep your screen on and it will never go off while charging. So that was a ticket to getting the display to stay on. To get the car scanner to boot automatically, I went to Google Play Store and searched for apps that could launch, and I found boot apps. That seems to be working well. It does take a little bit of time after the phone powers up to actually launch the car scanner, but it does work. So once you download it to your phone, you're just going to open the boot apps, and then you're going to click on the add button, and then you'll browse to the car scanner app. Pick that and enable that, and then you'll be good to go. To enable startup parameters on your phone, you have to get to the bootloader screen. On my phone, I hold the volume down button and the power button on together. Keep holding them and it will boot to this screen. Your phone may be different. You can find that option on how to get to the bootloader screen by Googling your phone. To edit the phone settings, you're going to need to download the SDK platform tools from Google. If you search Google for install Android platform tools, it should give you a link to the tool set as well as a video on how to edit the phone parameters. So first thing, you're going to download the tools SDK from Windows, and you're going to download the file and you're going to save it, and then you can open Windows and you're going to extract it to a path. And I created this Android SDK file folder, platform tools, and that's where I extracted my files to. So after you have that, then you need to edit the path, your environmental variables. So if you search and you start typing in environment, it should come up with edit system environmental variables in control panel. You can also get to this under system settings, under system, and advanced. That'll bring up this panel as well. So then you're going to do environmental, and then you're going to go here to path. You're going to edit, and then you can add new, and then the best thing to do is in your file manager, go to that folder, and then you can click up here in this window. It'll give you the path name, and then you can just do Control C to copy it, and then when you do new here, you can do Control V to paste it, and that'll make sure you have the right path. And then also I put it in this one as well, same way. You're going to hit edit, and then you're going to add new and Control V to paste the path name. Once you have that done, you can open up a command window, and you can try using Fastboot from there. You have to put your phone in the Android Fastboot mode. I do that by holding the power button and the volume down to turn on the phone. Keep holding that, and then you should come up with the display of Android platforms. And then once you have that, you should be able to access your phone. I did have an issue with that. I could not access my phone. It wouldn't work. It kept, as you saw, it kept just waiting for timeouts. I did find some optional drivers under Windows Update. So you go to Windows Update, Advanced Optional Updates. After you search, it did find these 2 additional drivers here for my phone: Android Bootloader interface, Android Composite EDB interface. Once I installed those and rebooted, then my command window would work, and I could enter the command to make my phone power on, which is Fastboot OEM off dash mode dash charge with a 0. That'll make it turn on when you attach power. So let's see this in action. So there you have it. I did speed up the video a little bit because it takes about 2.5–3 minutes to actually load. But in any case, it works. Happy road trip, and don't forget to like and subscribe.